Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do my BoxyCharm unboxing. I have the base and premium box here and we're just going to jump right in. But I will say, if you have not seen my last video, I do have a giveaway in that video and I'm going to do another giveaway very soon, international, but that one's just US. Sorry guys. But let's move on. Alright, so we're going to start with the base box here because I actually love this box today. I love what's inside because I know what one item is. Alright, in this month it's BoxyCharm Lucky. Super cute, goes with the St. Patrick's theme. And the first thing in here that I'm actually interested in is very pricey. And it's actually the first thing on the list. This is the 111 Skin Celestial Black Diamond Contour Gel. Very high-end packaging. Very sleek. Looks like this, and it's a peptide pack treatment gel specifically developed to focus on deep set lines and wrinkles due to loss of elasticity around the eyes and lips. I need this because I do get lines right here really bad, and I have a smile line starting right here because I always make that face, especially under my mask because it hides it. So I'm super interested in that. The next product is also skincare. This is the Glow Recipe Banana Soufflé Moisturizer Cream. I picked this out because I love Glow Recipe. It's a light, and plus summer's coming up. This is supposed to be lightweight, so I'm super excited. It's non-comedogenic, non-acnegenic. Never heard that term, but I have acne-prone skin, so great. And I have sensitive skin, so this is really good for sensitive skin. It's blended with banana, chia seed, magnesium, turmeric, and cica. But yeah, it retails for $39 and it's just adorable. I love Glow Recipe. Like, it's so cute. So next we have the LAVISH Wet Brush Cleaning System. Convenient brush cleaning system to remove makeup residue from cosmetic brushes. Really, the silicone pads in the lid, that's genius. Comes with a solid cleaning. And it retails for $15, and actually I needed this because I'm almost out of my brush cleaning stuff. Alright, so next is this guy. This is the Maven Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray. It's antioxidant packed with rose water. It's supposed to lock it down and prevent smudging for up to 16 hours and retails for $22. I love setting sprays. I wear a lot of powders like on my nose and it gets really cakey looking sometimes, and setting sprays always fix that. So I have high hopes, but let's look. That's a little aggressive, but this is the Cab Cosmetics Hydrating Lip Oil. Retails for 20 bucks. It's supposed to be non-sticky, instant burst of hydration. It comes in 6 different tints. I got Rum Punch. I love lip oils. Like, I love them so much. Ooh, that's pretty. And it smells like summer. I like that. Okay, so we're going to move on to the premium box. This one retails for $35, and I've actually been using for the past 2 days one of the items in this box. I can't help myself. When I get these boxes and I'm waiting like a week for the other one, I peek inside them. And I peeked and saw something in this that I figured I'd try out before I did this video. And that is this guy right here. This is the IGK Trusted She's Instant Scalp Rebalancing Treatment. I get really dry scalp, and this is supposed to soothe, rebalance, and relieve dry, itchy scalp. And it's non-greasy, and it really is, and it smells amazing, and it retails for $29. And I'd say it works because my scalp has not been itching me like crazy. Alright, so the next product, this retails for $145. It's a pairing pack technology for skincare, first illumination and shimmer. The illuminating eye serum and primer creates optical illusion of a brightened eye area, while a shimmer palette offers active buildable shimmer for your eyelids and skin. This was exclusively made for bud. Looks like that. There's a little serum here. Super cute. And a little palette. Okay. Let me figure out how to open it. Oh. Looks like this. Yes. I already swatched them. They didn't swatch too pretty, so I don't know if I have high hopes for this one, but I didn't look at this. I don't know. Moving on. Next is this is Beauty Diva London Diva Eye Brush Set. Retails for $48. Wow, that's pricey. And I'm kind of glad because all of my brushes are really dirty. But it looks like this. Super cute packaging. I love this bright orange. Be a nice liner brush. On here is this guy right here, which is what I picked out. This is the Glow Skin Beauty Hydra-Bright Alpha Arbutin Drops. It's supposed to promote an even skin tone and visibly diminish dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Why did I say that weird? Supercharged Serum is powered by Alpha Arbutin, a natural plant-based alternative which imparts a natural lit from within glow. Retails for $54. Looks like that. Super sleek packaging. Can't wait to add that into my skincare routine, see if it's going to break me out or not. Alright, so we have two more items here. This is by ROEN Beauty. It's Kiss My Liquid Lip Balm. Lip oil and a lip balm. And this is in the shade Charlie. It's formulated with mango and grapeseed oils to hydrate and protect. And you get the high shine of a gloss with the nourishment of a lip balm. So that's interesting. Alright, and last one. This is from HAUS Laboratories by Lady Gaga. It's a lip liner. Retails for $16. Supposed to be long wearing and pigmented. We'll see. But I do like the shade. Like, it's a very neutral shade, which I love. And I love the packaging. It's very different. Alright, so let's try out some of this skincare right here. Because I don't have anything on my face and it's feeling really dry. So we'll try some of this. You can use this AM and PM. I'm just doing 2 drops. Oh, it stinks. Oh, that smells really bad. Alright, let's try this out because my face is still really dry. My only issue is I hate dipping my finger in it, so I just took what was off the little plastic covering. Oh, it smells like banana Laffy Taffy. This is some sunscreen because it's good for your skin. And I actually enjoy this one. I have another one coming in, but this one's almost empty. This is the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen. It's SPF 40 and it goes on beautiful. You don't feel it, you don't see it, and your makeup doesn't look weird underneath. So I'm gonna hop off here and do my base, and I'll be right. Alright, you guys, I've realized I forgot to use the 111 Skin, but I'll use it and tell you my thoughts on it on Instagram if I remember. So I went in with the ColourPop Pretty Fresh foundation, the Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, a little of the Patrick Star 1-Star Setting Powder, and the new Jaclyn Cosmetics Bronzer Blush Duo in the shade Pick Me Up and Oh Honey. This stuff is good. Alright, so now we're going to figure out this thing right here. Obviously I'm going for a more natural look. My brows, I use the Anastasia Brow Wiz in the Benefit Gimme Brow. It's what I always use. We're going to try this. I don't know if I'm going to like it. being honest. That's very thick. This gives me weird vibes. Like, I can't even pick none up in the dropper. Like, I have a little concealer on my eyelids, so that might mess with it. Let's see, maybe a little here. Natural highlight. It does give a little natural highlighting effect. I should have done this before the powder. But live and learn. Here. I mean, it gave a healthy glow, but I think, okay, so we're going to try out the eyeshadows. With this, I have a feeling I won't like. I don't have a base. Hold on. We're going to use we're going to try this. The shade. Some pigment there. Yeah, that's actually very pretty. I'm going to take a little of this gold shade here. You know what? Let's say I thought I was going to hate this, but I kind of like it. Especially the shade at the very end, the darkest. I really like that. It's very bronzy, and I love a good bronzy look in summer. But there's fallout. Not much, but some. Let's try out this lip liner. It is very creamy. It's pretty. Not exactly my shade. I'm gonna try this. We have this. I don't have nothing to wipe my mouth off, so we're gonna use both. Okay. So here. I like the feel of this. It feels just like a lip balm with very like color on it. I actually like that. And we're going to put a little of this over. I really like this one. That's nice. All that in with this. Ugh, that's aggressive. Yeah, so that's the look. Using the 2 March BoxyCharm boxes, the premium and the base box. I'll get it out eventually. I will leave down how much both boxes retail for down below. I will say I had very, very low hopes for this KYPRIS one. I don't like this serum primer. I don't like this, but I do love the shimmer shadows in this, and I usually hate a shimmer shadow, but these are gorgeous. What I don't like is the setting spray. Not because I don't think that it set my makeup good, it's because it was so aggressive in the spray. I don't like that. And honestly, I do like these brushes. They're cute. I don't like the handles on them because it feels weird holding them because of all the ridges. And I'm going to say it. I don't like, as much as I thought, I do like it, but I don't like it, and it might just be the color. I don't like the HAUS Laboratories lip liner. I don't like it. I don't like the color, and that might be the only reason why I don't like it, but I prefer a retractable liner, and this isn't it. Alright, you guys, so that's the end of the video. Don't forget to check out my last video. There is a giveaway. Check out my Instagram. I don't post on it as much as I should, but when we get our house, that should change, which we will be getting our house soon. Finally! And I'll be able to have an actual spot to film and not sitting on my bed. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give BoxyCharm a chance. It's really great. You get what you pay for. I mean, yes, some months suck. Completely suck. But like, majority of the months, there's always going to be an item in there that you love that's worth more than the box. Or a couple of items. Well, no, I didn't like every item in this box. There was quite a few hits worth more than the box. So, give my last video a check. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Have a great week, and I'll see you guys in the next video.